Hello and welcome. These are affirmations for reaching your pure potential. The tiny seed knew that in order to grow, it needed to be dropped in dirt, covered in darkness, and struggle to reach the light. Now just ponder the possibility in one little seed. One tiny acorn seed has the potential to become a powerful oak tree. This pure potential lives within all of us, but we need to surrender to change. We need to be accepting of the unknown. Trust that even as a small seed covered in dirt and darkness, we will become all that we are meant to be as long as we allow ourselves to be guided and don't resist this unfoldment. We got to embrace it. We embrace it by turning within and igniting the fire. So I invite you to get into a comfortable position. Have a strong back and a soft front. Take in a deep breath. And as you exhale, just let go of any tension you're holding on to. Relax your jaw. Drop your shoulders. Sit with pride and purpose. Open your heart and feel the energy of enthusiasm and pure potential radiating from within as we embrace and embody these affirmations. So repeat these out loud or in your mind. Feel free to add in movement, maybe even go for a walk, or just sit still. Either way, absorb the power and put emotion behind the words. Feel it. Here we go. I am passionate and caring. I am a creative genius. Anything I'm scared of is an opportunity to grow. I need to stretch to grow. I get comfortable with getting uncomfortable. I'm willing to question everything. What do I plan to do with this one wild and precious life? I use my voice. I am heard. I am unstoppable. I stop at nothing. I feel the fear and do it anyway. I create opportunities. I know that I can do or be anything. I don't settle. I raise the bar. I have the courage to follow my dreams. I believe in who I am. I look for the good. I write down my goals. I take pride in how far I have come. I invest in myself and push past my limitations and my fears. I trust I am on the right path. Deep down, I know this is where I need to be. I am choosing to act as the future version of myself now. I have so much faith in how far I will go. I visualize my success daily. There has never been a better time than now. I don't give negativity a voice. I am persistent. I am committed. I manage my time and structure my days wisely. I follow my North Star. I am calling in abundance. I am open and ready to receive. I am generating wealth, joy, peace, and love. I will take action today. No matter how small, the needle is getting moved. I am in alignment with my purpose. I am infinitely guided and supported. I give myself permission to embody the fullest expression of myself. The time is now. I easily attract everything I desire. I am attracting all the right people into my life. I am open and ready to receive. I acknowledge and accept where I am. It feels good to feel good. I have that pure potential of an oak tree. I am strong, resilient, and powerful. I am filled with enthusiasm and energy. I make an impact in many people's lives. I am just getting started. I am just getting started. Great work. Now, wherever you are, just open your eyes, stretch out, reach your arms to the sky, take in a deep breath all the way in. You are powerful. You are changing your life, and today is the day. And exhale. You can do anything. Move the needle. Do this again tomorrow and have the best day. Take care.